Check this out, guys. Beautiful day in Des Moines, Iowa. This is the OBS. You got 22s in the front, you got 26s in the back. Now this one, oh, yeah, I did that. That sucks. But it had a cut right there, all the way around.
Okay.
See, chopped it up right there. But yeah, cut like a 1/4 inch back off this whole thing for this wheel to fit. And I don't know why a lot of trucks are like this, but I did not have to cut anything on the other side. The other side just fit. But yeah, I gotta clean these wheels up and scuff them up and throw some clear on them.
Yeah.
This is my notch kit right now, but they do have other notch kits that will go up higher, up to where the bed is. Gali, go over there, baby. Come on, making a video. They'll go up higher, and I have to cut that strip on the bottom of the bed, but it'll give me another 2.5, probably 2 inches of clearance, so I can drop this a little more and maybe get a little bit of better stance. But not just that. When I drive it, see, right now it's all the way down, so my axle is perched right on this, so I'll get some clanking if I hit anything. And if I were to get that other step notch, I would have a little bit more travel, and I won't hit as I'm driving around. Yeah, I just don't want it to be clanky, you know what I mean? This is a 5.3 5-speed TBI. It's silly. You got the yogurt?
Yeah. Me and Eddie have the same yogurt.
Oh yeah. Working on it. I think with those 2 inches we'll be set. But the other notch kit is not a bolt-on. Since you do cut further up, you have to weld this one in place and take the bed off. But that's okay. The bed comes off with like 4 bolts, and you just get like a cherry picker on all 4 sides, pick the bed off, and then you could set your new C-notch on the back there where the wheels line up, and you go ahead and weld it in place, and then you start cutting. But yeah, so guys, it looks like we're gonna get a welder. That'll be fun. But yeah, 26s. The tires are, I just got these off of Amazon. They're full way HP 108s. And there's a size on them. Let's see if I can find the size on the other side. I think they're 255. Yeah, 255 30 26. I'm not sure on the offset with these wheels. I'm telling you, all I had to do to get these in there is cut that little piece. And yeah,
I'm already done with my yogurt.
but I'll be able to give you guys a full rundown after I do that. Hopefully I can do that here soon, because I'm not 100% happy of how it sits at the moment. Once I'm 100% happy, then I can go ahead and give you guys a step-by-step. But yeah, anybody out there that wants to do a notch kit, I mean, at first it might seem overwhelming, but it's really not. For the notch that I installed here, I did not have to take the bed off of the truck. You know, all I had was an angle grinder, sawzall, and an air hammer. So you're gonna need an air hammer if you haven't moved parts on this truck for a while. This is an 89, and I bet it's been in Iowa for a long time because there's quite a bit of bolts that were really hard to come out. And yeah, I mean, it's got some rust. You can see a little bit of rust here and there, but nothing too bad, nothing I can't fix. And yeah, hopefully we'll get around to doing more things with her soon. Thanks.